testing this silicone mini muffin pan. Half of it I'm going to be using some cooking spray with it as the instructions for the pan say, and then half of it I'm not using any cooking spray at all. Since I'm in a hurry, I'm just using a jiffy mix, which is actually vegan. I am not using the egg or the milk. So to my water, I'm putting in some flax milk. I'm gonna let that sit for a couple minutes and then I will add the mix. I'm going to try to spray just 6 little cups. I have more batter, so again, I'll spray. Place them on a cookie sheet before putting them in the oven so that they don't get unlevel on the wire racks. Okay, now I'm popping them in the oven. The muffins are done baking. I'm going to let them cool 2 or 3 minutes to set up before I try to remove them from the pan. All right, I'm going to try to remove the muffins. This was in the sprayed pan. This was sprayed. A little bit crumbly, but that also could be because it's vegan. And this is the unsprayed side. Oh, I'm pretty surprised. That's not bad. This is another unsprayed. It does crush it a tiny bit. That's pretty good, sprayed or not sprayed. Here, I'll do another not sprayed. You just have to work it around underneath. See, that one didn't do so well. We'll go back to a sprayed one. Those are definitely better if you spray it. And I've washed these before in the dishwasher. It washes out easily. It comes out perfectly clean. I'll come back and show you that as well. I usually wash them in the dishwasher, but I wanted to show you how quickly they clean up, and all of that's just coming right out. You can see I'm using a bottle brush. It gets in there nice and easily. Did I miss anything? A couple places. So if you don't have a dishwasher, you can easily wash this right in your sink. I'm just checking that I got all of it out. So that was a quick, easy cleanup. My biggest takeaway is that you need to let them cool enough so that you can actually push them out of the pans. So if they've cooled enough and they're set, you're not going to have a problem. I am really happy with this pan. I thought I got almost equal results from using cooking spray as well as non-cooking spray. See us next week for another wonderful video. In the meanwhile, have a great week. The Lord bless you.